soil, make it soft and deep. Put the tiny seeds inside, then cover them to sleep. It's sunshine bright and new, watch it grow both big and tall. Plants are wonderful for all. Water, water, not too much. Give the soil a gentle touch. Sunshine helps the leaves grow green, the prettiest plant you've ever seen. Roots beneath the ground, then a little shoot is found. Leaves grow bigger every day, growing, growing, hip hooray! The buds begin to show, pretty flowers start to grow. Some plants give us fruits to eat, healthy, yummy, fresh and sweet. Plant a seed, water it too. Give it sunshine bright and new. Watch it grow both big and tall. Plants are wonderful for all. Plants need water, plants need light. Warm sunshine makes them strong and bright. Good rich soil and air so clean help them grow so fresh and green. Do not pull the leaves away. Care for plants every day. Keep them safe and give them love. Nature smiles from up above. Your hands and stomp your feet. Plants and trees make earth so sweet. Stretch up high just like a tree. Wave your branches happily. Plant a seed and watch it grow. Water it gently, nice and slow. Sunshine helps it reach up tall. Plants are wonderful for all. Little seed so small, a mighty plant can grow so tall. Plant some seeds and you will see a greener world for you and me. Plant, plant, plant today. Help our green world grow each day. Love the plants, the trees, the flowers too. They make earth beautiful for me and you. Dig it, plant it, water with care. Give it sunshine and fresh, clean air. Grow, grow, grow so tall. Plants are precious to us all.
Thanks for watching Kids Wonder Zone.